Welcome back to another Nightingale tutorial. I've been on a leave of absence dealing with some personal issues, but I am back and ready to start rolling out new tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to delete Carlbot Autofeeds. There are two ways to do this, in the Carl dashboard or in Discord. Today I will be showing you how to do it in the Carlbot dashboard. Make sure you are in the server you want to make the changes to. Then go down to Custom Commands, then Autofeeds. Here you will see the autofeeds that you've already created. If you don't have any, make one using the Create New Autofeed. Next, you will click Edit on the autofeed you want to delete. Now you can see all the details about your autofeed, the message, time, role, etc. But what we want is this little red trash can down in the left corner. Click it and you'll see that your autofeed has been deleted.